This is a video on how to restore the Suzuki SJ410 center brake drum that attaches to the end of the transfer case. In this picture you'll see I'm going to restore the one up top. First things first, I had to get the center brake cable. And another image of that center handbrake cable and its respective partner. Here's an exploded view of a bunch of the bits and pieces and its part numbers. These attach to brake shoes as well as these. These attach to the brake shoes too. More part numbers, even an OEM part number for a washer. Exploded view of the bits and pieces. These are the adjusters. The adjusters come in left and right, and there are the part numbers. This piece will be installed as well. This is the little pin that attaches to the brake shoe and its part number. Here is the pair of brake shoes. That's what the old pin and washer look like. Here you see me buttoning it up, putting everything together. Pin, washer, cotter pin, arm. Everything's coming together. Replacing new hardware on the bottom. And new hardware up top as well. First things first, put in the brake cable. Time to install the adjusters. Adjusters must have new grease put on. Always put grease prior to installation. The other brake adjuster. Everything's all together now. Much better. Oh, and one last thing. I did order the piece up top and I replaced it and got rid of the old one. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.